The bills introduced by Union Home Minister Amit Shah were the Constitution 130th Amendment Bill, 2025, Government of Union Territories Amendment Bill, 2025, Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Amendment Bill, 2025. Union Home Minister Amit Shah on Wednesday introduced 3 bills that proposed the removal of elected representatives, including the Prime Minister, the Chief Ministers, Union Ministers, from their position if they are arrested or detained for 30 consecutive days in connection with serious criminal charges. The bills introduced by Shah were the Constitution 130th Amendment Bill, 2025, Government of Union Territories Amendment Bill, 2025, and the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Amendment Bill, 2025. The introduction of the 3 bills caused a massive uproar in the House, with the opposition alleging that the Bharatiya Janata Party-led National Democratic Alliance (NDA) government at the center aims to destabilize non-BJP governments in the states. However, Shah said the bills will be sent to a joint parliamentary committee (JPC). Speaking in the House, AIM MP Asaduddin Owaisi opposed the 3 bills and said they violate the principle of separation of powers and undermine the right of the people to elect a government. He also claimed that these bills will give a free hand to executive agencies to become judge and executioner based on flimsy allegations and suspicions. This government is hell-bent on creating a police state. This will be a death nail unleashed on elected government. India's constitution is being amended to turn this country into a police state, he said. Congress MP Manish Tiwari also criticized the 3 bills and called them destructive, saying they will make an executive agency officer the boss of the Prime Minister. The Constitution says there should be a rule of law, and the basis of that is that you are innocent until proven guilty. This bill hopes to change that, he said. During the proceedings of the House, some of the opposition MPs tore the copies of the 3 contentious bills and threw them towards Shah, following which the House was adjourned till 3 p.m. Congress MP KC Venugopal also questioned Shah's morality in the Sohrabuddin case, but the Union Home Minister countered the Grand Old Party leader, saying he had resigned from his position before he was sent to jail. Meanwhile, Trinamool Congress TMC MP Kalyan Banerjee was also seen moving towards whoever was speaking in the House, but was stopped by Union MO's Ravneet Singh. The Government of Union Territories Amendment Bill, 2025 says there is no provision under the Government of Union Territories Act, 1963-20 of 1963 for the removal of the Chief Minister or a minister arrested and detained in custody on account of serious criminal charges. Hence, there is a need to amend Section 45 of the Government of Union Territories Act, 1963, to provide a legal framework for the removal of a chief minister or a minister in such cases. The bill seeks to achieve the above objectives. The objectives of the Constitution 130th Amendment Bill, 2025, say there is no provision under the Constitution for the removal of a minister who is arrested and detained in custody on account of serious criminal charges. Hence, there is a need to amend Articles 75, 164 and 239 AA of the Constitution, for providing a legal framework for the removal of the Prime Minister or a minister in the Union Council of Ministers and the Chief Minister or a minister in the Council of Ministers of States and the National Capital Territory of Delhi in such cases. This bill seeks to achieve the above objectives. The objectives of the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Amendment Bill, 2025, say there is no provision under the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019-34/2019 for the removal of the Chief Minister or a minister arrested and detained in custody on account of serious criminal charges. Hence, there is a need to amend Section 54 of the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019 to provide a legal framework for the removal of the Chief Minister or a minister in such cases. The bill seeks to achieve the above object.